Hello kids, so today in this video we are going to learn alphabets from A to Z, both in capital letters and small letters. So let's get started. So first I'll take purple color and write letter A. This is capital letter A and this one is small letter A. A for apple. A for apple. Next I'll take orange color and write letter B. This is capital letter B and this is small letter b. B for ball. B for ball. Next I'll choose green color to write the letter C. This is capital letter C and this one is small letter c. C for cat. C for cat. Next I'll choose brown color to write letter D. This is capital letter D and this one is small letter d. D for dog. D for dog. Next I'll choose pink color and write letter E. This is capital letter E and this one is small letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Next I'll choose blue color and write letter F. This is capital letter F and this one is small letter f. F for fish. F for fish. Next I'll take yellow color and write letter G. This is capital letter G and this one is small letter G. G for goat. G for goat. Next I'll take dark green color and write the letter H. This is capital letter H and this one is small letter h. H for house. H for house. Next I'll choose gray color and write the letter I. I for ice cream. This is capital letter I and this one is small letter I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Next I'll choose red color. This one is red color and write the letter J. This is capital letter J. This is small letter J. J for jug. J for jug. Next I'll choose dark blue color and write the letter K. This is capital letter K and this one is small letter K. K for kite. K for kite. Purple color. L. Capital letter L. Small letter L. L for lion. L for lion. Orange color. M. Capital letter M. Small letter M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Light green color. N. Capital letter N. Small letter N. N for nose. N for nose. Brown color. O. Capital letter O. Small letter O. O for orange. O for orange. Pink color. P. Capital letter P. Small letter P. P for pink. P for pink. Blue color. Q. Capital letter Q. Small letter Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Yellow color. R. Capital letter R. Small letter R. R for rose. R for rose. Dark green color. S. Capital letter S. Small letter S. S for sun. S for sun. Gray color. T. Capital letter T. Small letter T. T for tiger. T for tiger. red color. U, capital letter U, small letter U, U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Purple color. V, capital letter V, small letter V, V for vegetables. Orange color. W, capital letter W, small letter W, W for watermelon, W for watermelon. Light green color. X, capital letter X, small letter X, X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Brown color. Y, capital letter Y, small letter Y, Y for yacht, Y for yacht. Pink color. Z, capital letter Z, small letter Z, Z for zebra, Z for zebra. So hence we have completed our alphabets from A to Z, both in capital letters and small letters. I hope you like this video, kids, and if you like it, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.